Water retention is a very common condition and affects almost each one of us at some point or the other, if you haven't been moving around for a long time. If there is a change in your hormone levels, or if you're in the middle of your period, your body might be holding on to more water than usual. More serious causes of water retention include renal failure or heart disease. Since water retention also causes weight gain, you might even notice a drop in the scale once you start. Dandelion. Dandelion is a diuretic and can stimulate your bladder to increase urine output to help flush out excess water. Increased urine means immediate relief from excess water weight and bloating. The dandelion plant contains phytonutrients that stimulate your bladder to make you go to the toilet. Research into the effectiveness of dandelion tea found that just 2 cups is enough to increase urine output without increasing the frequency, so you'll pee more, but not more often. Dark chocolate. Almost too good to be true, right? Well, experts say that dark chocolate can reduce water weight due to its high antioxidant and magnesium content. Asparagus. Asparagus contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that provides health benefits for our digestive tract, promoting better nutrient absorption and lowering the risk of colon cancer. It's also a natural diuretic, meaning it can rid your body of the excess water it's holding on to, causing you that uncomfortable belly bloat. Watermelon. Watermelon helps balance out the body and flush out excess water and sodium. It also has diuretic qualities, meaning they make you urinate often, which can also eliminate excess water. Parsley. Parsley is a popular medicinal herb and had extensive uses in traditional medicine. A herbal tea made by steeping fresh parsley leaves in boiling water was often used as a natural remedy to treat water retention. But like all foods, moderation is the key. When eaten in much larger amounts, parsley can cause abdominal cramps. If you have kidney disease, experts suggest avoiding parsley. Caraway seeds. Caraway seeds are small, brown seeds that look very much like cumin. In Eastern traditional medicine, caraway seeds were often used to soothe digestive issues and reduce water retention. Cucumber. Cucumbers contain sulfur and silicon, which can help your kidneys function better and remove excess uric acid from them. They are also very high in potassium, which helps your body release water. Bananas. Foods high in potassium can help flush the body of water and help keep the belly slim. While limiting sodium is the best way to complement these benefits, simply adding more potassium-rich foods during the day can banish discomfort and puffiness. So there you have it. Eating these foods will help you reduce water retention, so if you are suffering from water retention, then give them a try.